Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Olay Dark Spot Remover is probably one of the most sought-after products for tackling hyperpigmentation and revealing a more even skin tone, but does it live up to the hype? In today's video, we'll put Olay's Dark Spot Remover to the test, examining its effectiveness, ease of use, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right choice for your skincare routine. We will explore its key ingredients, application methods, and potential side effects to give you a comprehensive understanding of this popular dark spot treatment. Number 5. Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair Serum. This daily serum is your secret weapon against dark spots and uneven skin tone. It's formulated with dermatologist-proven retinol and vitamin C for visible results. It combines the power of retinol, a form of vitamin A, to fight wrinkles and dullness, with vitamin C to brighten and even out your skin tone. This serum is clinically proven to reduce the appearance of dark spots and discoloration. You'll notice brighter, smoother skin. It's gentle enough for daily use and is free of mineral oil and dyes, making it suitable for all skin tones. It's easy to incorporate into your existing skincare routine. This serum comes from the #1 retinol brand recommended by dermatologists, so you can trust its effectiveness and quality. Experience the Neutrogena difference. See visible improvements in your skin's tone and texture. Say goodbye to dark spots and hello to a more radiant you. What we like? It's a powerhouse serum with retinol and vitamin C. This dynamic duo works to visibly reduce dark spots and brighten your complexion. If you're looking for a clinically proven solution to improve skin tone and texture, this is the one for you. What people say. It's only been a week and I can already tell a significant fading. Been using this daily for a month and a half now and it's definitely lightening up my brown spots on my cheeks. After using for a month most days, I noticed a dramatic difference. Only need a little bit each application so it also lasts a while. Number 4. Olay Luminous Tone Perfecting Cream. This luxurious cream is designed to visibly improve your skin's appearance. It's lightweight, fast-absorbing, and perfect for daily use. You'll see a noticeable difference in your skin's youthfulness within 2 weeks of using this cream. It's clinically proven to deliver visible results. This cream effectively targets dark spots and discolorations, helping to even out your skin tone. See a significant reduction in 8 weeks. It's a lightly scented, hydrating cream that absorbs quickly without leaving a greasy residue. It's comfortable to wear all day long. The antioxidant-rich formula helps to brighten and even your skin tone. It delivers tone-evening ingredients deep into the skin's surface. Just massage it into your skin morning and night after cleansing. It's that easy to achieve a radiant, healthy glow. This cream is formulated to be effective on various skin tones, helping everyone achieve a more luminous complexion. It's designed to work for you. What we like? This luxurious cream is lightweight and easily absorbed. It helps to even out your skin tone, leaving you with a luminous complexion. If you prefer a moisturizing approach to dark spot correction, this is an excellent choice. What people say. I have posted photos of my left and right cheek before I started using this product, as well as photos of the results I have observed after just 3 weeks of use. I use this product at nights only once a day. I use a day cream with a sunscreen SPF 30 during the daytime. So far I am noticing a great improvement in the dark spots I had on my left and right cheeks. The directions says 8 weeks for results, but I guess that is for the total fading of the dark spots. No irritation to my skin and I have sensitive skin, by the way. It is not greasy and I have oily skin as well. It's not heavy on the skin and absorbs into the skin quickly, but it does require a bit of massaging for the white appearance to disappear into the skin. It leaves my face totally moistured and I wake up with my face feeling soft, smooth and looking refreshed. It is lightly scented, which is perfect for me. This cream has been wonderful. It really has helped my skin look more even and radiant. It goes on very smooth and silky also. I love the feel and smell of it. I have used this morning and night for about 2 months and was impressed. The dark spots I have mainly on my chin have lightened up so much that I can just cover them with foundation. I was never able to do that before. The dark spots are not gone 100% yet, but they do look much lighter, so I will continue using this for best results. Love this product. Goes on smooth, feels sheer and doesn't clog pores. Lovely light scent. We'll be ordering again. Number 3. Pond's Clarant B3 Dark Spot Corrector. Embrace a flawlessly even complexion with Pond's Clarant B3. It's the secret to radiant, healthy-looking skin. This rich moisturizer is perfect for your skin type. It diminishes dark spots while deeply hydrating. See visible results in as little as 2 to 4 weeks. It helps reduce the appearance of dark spots and discoloration. Formulated with vitamin B3, it brightens your skin tone for a more even complexion. Say goodbye to uneven skin tone. It's pore-friendly and won't clog pores, keeping your skin clear and healthy. Enjoy a clear, radiant complexion. Pond's has been delivering radiant skin for over 170 years. Trust in a brand you can rely on for beautiful, healthy skin. What we like. This rich cream is perfect for dry skin. It provides deep hydration while diminishing the appearance of dark spots. If you have dry skin and want a gentle yet effective solution, this is for you. What people say. From the first application, my skin felt incredibly soft, almost like silk. It provides great hydration and leaves my face feeling fresh and moisturized throughout the day. Using the cream got rid of it eventually after using it for about a year. My dark spots are definitely less prominent. The moisturizer is also very hydrating, and it leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. It absorbs well without feeling greasy. Number 2. Dark Spot Corrector Serum. This serum is specially formulated to target dark spots and melasma. Its unique blend of skin brighteners, AHAs, and peptides works to fade discoloration and reveal brighter, more even skin. It's not just for your face. This serum can be used on various areas of your body, including your neck, hands, and other areas prone to discoloration. It's infused with natural plant extracts and clinically proven peptides for effective results. See noticeable improvements in your skin tone in as little as 4 weeks. It's a powerful treatment packed with effective ingredients to tackle stubborn dark spots and melasma. This serum boasts impressive results. You'll see a smoother, more even complexion with visibly reduced dark spots. Check out the amazing before and after photos. It's made with natural ingredients like kojic acid and mulberry extract. It gently brightens your skin for a healthy, radiant glow, without harsh chemicals. We're confident you'll love the results. But if for any reason you're not completely satisfied, we're here to help. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. This serum is packed with natural ingredients to brighten and even your skin tone. It absorbs quickly and is suitable for daily use. If you prefer a natural approach to dark spot correction, this is a great option. What people say. It feels lightweight, absorbs quickly, and doesn't irritate my sensitive skin. I love that it contains 20% vitamin C, my skin looks brighter and more even every day. It's really strong and did a good job to tackle the spots on my face. It also had a good texture and consistency. My dark spots are fading, and my skin looks brighter. It's lightweight, absorbs quickly, and works well under makeup without pilling. Number 1. Paradise Emerald Dark Spot Remover. It's formulated with natural ingredients like kojic acid and various plant extracts, making it a safe and effective solution for dark spots. It's gentle enough for all skin types. This dark spot corrector tackles various types of hyperpigmentation, including sunspots, melasma, and freckles. It's designed to help improve your skin's overall appearance. Whether you're a man or a woman, this cream works for all skin types. It's non-invasive and gentle enough for even sensitive areas. Simply apply it twice daily, morning and night, after cleansing and toning. Gently massage until fully absorbed for best results. You'll start to see a reduction in dark spots within 2 weeks, with more significant improvements in 6 to 8 weeks. For those with thicker skin, it may take 2 to 3 months to see optimal results. What we like. This gentle cream is suitable for all skin types and is formulated with natural ingredients. It's a safe and effective way to fade dark spots. If you have sensitive skin or prefer natural products, this is a good choice. What people say. I have a lot of dark spots and even some freckles that I never had before appear on my face. My skin was just look dull, and I came across this product and let me tell you it's awesome. I use it every day. It has no strong scent, it doesn't even feel like I have anything on my face, it's lightweight and also a little bit goes a long way. It leaves your face baby soft and also gives it a glow. I received this item on January 19th and began using it that same evening. The cream may work on small spots, but I don't think it will work for a melasma problem. It does leave the skin feeling smooth and it doesn't have an odor to it. I'm still in disbelief this worked so well. I had a huge quarter-size sunspot on my left cheek. I have only used it a couple of times, maybe a total of 10x, but not constantly. For one reason I notice in me it worked by removing dead skin almost like a light chemical peel. The dark spot began to lose its color and shape until it became very faded. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.